third graders, today you are going to be working on the letter M in your handwriting packet. There are 3 steps to the letter M. Start your pencil here. This is step 1. This is step 2. And this is step 3. For each letter M that you see, you are going to trace one and then try one of your own on the line below. So trace and then try. Same directions where it says write the joinings. You're going to take your pencil and trace and then give it a try on your own. On the last section where it says write the words, we will read these words together so you know what they say, and then you will trace and try. Mom, moon, mumble. Museum, mold, smoke. Dime, jump, room. Remember to trace and try, check your work, and save your handwriting in your writer's folder.